Hello and welcome to the fourth part of forms, where we will learn all about the input file type and text areas. So let's start with the file input type. File input is the HTML element we use to upload files like images, audio, documents, or so. All websites have a file input, and you have definitely used one if you have used Facebook on desktop and tried to upload an image. Now let's create our file input. You start by creating an input tag with the type of file. And voila, you've created it. Now back to your browser, refresh, and you will see a button. If you click on this button, it will open the Explorer to allow you to select a file. But with the current example, we can select any type of file. What if we want to upload only images or videos? Well, we can use the accept attribute. Let's see how we can do that. Back to your input, add an attribute of accept, and equal to, and then set the value to audio, and then /*. The /* over here represents all type of audio files. For example, MP3, WAV, and so on. Control S, back to your browser, refresh, and click on choose file. And as you see, I don't have any audio files and nothing I can see over here. And if you check on the file types, it will say audio files. Let's try that with videos. Cancel, change audio to video, Control S, refresh, click, and as you see, my video can be seen over here. Now, if I click on it, click open, you can see the file has been selected over here. And that's it for input file. So now we're going to discuss text areas. Text area element is just a big expandable text box that allow us to write multiple lines in ease. Let's see an example. Go to your forms and we're going to create a label. And we're going to say for comments. And we're going to say and then we're going to create. I'll be discussing the ID attribute later in the JS series of this video. For now, we don't need it. Now, we have a name attribute of comments and a call span or a column size of 30 and row size of 10. If you Control S, back to your web browser, refresh, there you go. We have our text area. And the power of text area is that we can write as many lines as we want. And as I mentioned, it's expandable, so we can change the size of it. Now let me show you a comparison with the input type text. So in input type text, we can write as much lines as we want. However, when the text gets longer than the text area, it would start hiding half of our text. This does not happen in our comment section. So over here, no matter how much we write, it will just go to the next line. And we can even add styling to it. Over here in text area, no matter how much I try to click enter, it would not work. And this is the difference between text area and input type text. So the input type text is created and only used for single word or sentence at max, while text areas are built for articles and big chunk of text with styles. So that's it for this video. And that's it for forms. In the next video, we will start with CSS and how to color your text using CSS.